Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. Today we're doing an episode inspired by Onward. What I really liked about the movie was all of the world building involved. Like they really just made this big magical universe. And what I noticed in the beginning was as Ian goes to go get breakfast, he goes to a restaurant called Burger Shire. And I was thinking, what would you get at Burger Shire for breakfast? You'd probably get a breakfast burger. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a breakfast burger with bacon jam. First thing we're going to do is get together our burger patties. We're adding in some salt, a little bit of pepper, Dijon mustard, and some Worcestershire sauce. Gonna mix that in with our ground beef using our hands. Just don't overmix it, guys. You don't want your meat to be too tough. Then we're pulling out our handy dandy food scale. We're gonna weigh out about 4 ounces for each patty, shape them into patties, put them on a parchment-lined baking sheet and stick them in the fridge. I was able to get about 9 patties out of almost 2.5 pounds of beef. They're gonna sit in the fridge for a little bit. We're gonna start putting together our bacon jam. For our bacon jam, we're gonna cook up a whole pound of bacon until it's nice and crispy. Take it out of the pan. We're gonna chop it into some nice little bacon bits. In the pan, we're leaving in just about 1 tablespoon of that grease. We're gonna cook our onion for about 15 minutes or so till they're nice and soft. Then we're gonna add in our garlic, brown sugar, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, and chili powder. Then we're going to add in our bacon bits. We're going to simmer and reduce it to low heat for about 7 to 10 minutes here. It's going to look really yummy and it's going to bind together really nicely. Just finished that bacon jam. We're going to let that cool to about room temperature. While that's going on, we're going to start getting our burger ready and start assembling everything. Bought some buns from the local grocery store. We're going to toast them up. Your girl likes toasty buns. Just slap some butter on there and put them in a frying pan for a few minutes. Getting the bun ready, slapping some bacon jam on there. Wouldn't be a breakfast burger without a fried egg. Since it's Onward, it's all about magic and wizardry, I wanted to do a star-shaped egg. Yeah. I tried. Round 2 with a regular round egg went a lot better for us in the long run. We're going to start cooking our burger now. I put some olive oil in a pan, warmed it up. Going to cook that burger about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Slap some cheddar on there. Put that egg right on that burger bun. Slap the patty on there. Call it a day. I also threw a slice of tomato on there because I'm fancy. I am pretty jazzed about this. Let's see how this looks when we smash it all together. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I love an egg on a burger. All right, let's try a bite of this, friends. I was really nervous about the bacon jam because I'm not a big onion gal, but it turned out really good. It's very sweet, and I need to get another bite to get more of the burger because the bun is so big. I'm a liar. I took about 3 or 4 additional bites before continuing to record because this burger was so delicious. This is definitely a messy burger. I brought out knife and fork, but didn't eat them because I'm trash. Puts my taste buds into O for Onward. There was neighbors watching me while I was outside eating, so I didn't feel like going into depth about like how my burger tasted. But it was really good. It was so good, you guys. Turned out, and that bacon jam was phenom, and I am so happy with how it turned out. And that's pretty much exactly what I was hoping for when I was thinking of this. Was something just yummy and simple, but like a brunchy type burger, a little whimsical, just like the movie Onward. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, recipes down below in the comments. Thank you again. Have a magical day.